Hello, everybody. This is a quick demo of the technical mockup for the building escape level design that I have finished coding here. So without further ado, looking at the layout of the level, I'll press play and show you how to interact with its functionality. So in the game, we can see with the source lighting here, it illuminates the room, and we have a red source lighting here in the corner, as well as a golden cone. So if I step on the trigger volume, it'll open both of these doors, and I'm unable to escape or go through either door. So by lifting up this cone and placing it, aha! Seems like we have access to this door, and lo and behold, another cube. Using the input bindings for the right mouse button, I'm able to pick these up, and now having both the cone and the cube on the trigger volume, it looks like we've successfully been able to activate the trigger volume and open these doors. So now we're free. Yeah! Looking at this, we did so making that the door over here, as you can see with the open door component that we've created, has a mask to open that we also created, and we set that to 55. And this door over here, open door component, we've set that mask to open to be 30. And both of them are referenced to the pressure plate trigger volume that we've set in the corner here. And if we can look and see our two static mesh components, we have our cone, which has a mass of 35 kg, as well as our cube here having a 30 in mass kg. So 30 plus 35 should be well enough for our door component over here to open. Yeah, because that needs 55 to open. So that is our building escape technical demo and how we could interact using these components and add them to different objects that we choose for someone with greater level design knowledge and know-how in terms of making things look a little bit prettier. Use them for their own functionality. Thank you for watching.